How to make money by dropshipping. In the ever-expanding world of online business, one model continues to attract aspiring entrepreneurs with its low barrier to entry, global reach, and potential for passive income: dropshipping. It's the epitome of the modern, tech-driven hustle, where you sell products without ever touching inventory or managing logistics. You act as the middleman between customers and suppliers. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Niche selection. Selecting the right niche is the first and most critical decision you'll make in your dropshipping journey. A niche defines your target audience, product lineup, marketing strategy, and ultimately, your brand. In 2025, saturated markets like generic gadgets or fast fashion are harder to profit from unless you can innovate or add real value. Therefore, finding evergreen niches or trending micro-niches, like eco-friendly lifestyle, pet tech, or smart home accessories, can boost your chances of success. Your niche should balance demand, profitability, and a manageable level of competition. Avoid broad markets and instead aim for hyper-focused, passionate customer bases. Research Google Trends, social media groups, and Amazon, AliExpress reviews to identify emerging needs or underserved markets. A good niche is one where people are willing to spend in return for more. Choosing reliable suppliers. In dropshipping, you don't handle inventory, your supplier does. This makes your supplier relationship arguably more important than your storefront. Unreliable suppliers can tank your business with late shipments, low-quality products, or poor communication. In 2025, platforms like Spocket, CJ Dropshipping, and Zendrop offer faster shipping times than AliExpress and are favored for US, EU audiences. Vet suppliers rigorously by checking sample orders, product quality, delivery speeds, and responsiveness. Always build relationships with multiple suppliers for redundancy. Use platforms that integrate directly with Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce for smoother fulfillment. Treat suppliers like partners, communicate frequently, understand their capabilities, and avoid working with anyone who refuses to be transparent. Building a branded storefront that converts. First impressions matter in e-commerce, and your website is your digital storefront. A professionally designed, branded dropshipping store can dramatically improve your conversions. Customers are becoming more savvy in 2025. They can tell the difference between a scammy pop-up store and a well-built brand. Invest in a clean, fast, and mobile-friendly design using platforms like Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce. Your domain name, color scheme, and layout should all reflect your niche identity. Include high-quality product images, persuasive descriptions, testimonials, and trust badges. Make checkout as seamless as possible with multiple payment options like credit cards, PayPal, and now crypto wallets for tech-savvy customers. Winning product research. To make money with dropshipping, you need to sell products people are actively looking to buy. This requires data-driven product research. Use tools like Sell the Trend, Niche Scraper, Dropship.io, or AliShark to analyze product trends, sales volumes, and supplier performance. Check social platforms like TikTok and Instagram for viral items. Avoid saturated fads unless you have a unique angle. The goal is to find underrated or emerging products with proven demand and low competition. Go for products that solve a specific problem or appeal to deep emotions like love for pets, health improvement, or personal empowerment. High perceived value and low shipping cost are bonuses. Mastering Facebook and TikTok ads. Marketing is the engine that drives your dropshipping income. In 2025, Facebook ads and TikTok ads remain dominant channels for paid customer acquisition. Learning how to run, test, and optimize ads is vital. Use video creatives that tell stories or demonstrate product value in under 15 seconds. Test different creatives, audiences, and objectives through small budget campaigns. Start with broad targeting, then narrow using lookalike audiences or retargeting pixels. TikTok favors entertaining, organic-style videos while Facebook thrives on emotional storytelling and carousel ads. Constant iteration is the key to winning at paid ads. Organic traffic and SEO for long-term profits. While ads are great for quick traction, Long-term dropshipping success often comes from free traffic via search engine optimization, SEO, and content marketing. Optimize your product pages, blog posts, and site structure using keywords that your niche audience searches for. Use tools like Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find high-traffic, low-competition terms. Create a blog with how-to guides, listicles, or product comparisons related to your niche. Optimize your site speed and mobile experience. Build backlinks from guest posts and directories. SEO takes time but pays off with passive traffic. Automating your business with smart tools. Dropshipping can become overwhelming without automation. Luckily, 2025 brings advanced automation tools to streamline everything from product importation to order fulfillment and customer emails. Use apps like Dsers, AutoDS, or Oberlo alternatives to automate product syncing, price updates, and order routing. Automate email sequences using Klaviyo, Omnisend, or MailerLite for abandoned cart recovery and welcome series. Automation frees you to work on high-value tasks like marketing and branding. The goal is to eventually run your store in just a few hours per week, making dropshipping a true semi-passive income stream. Providing exceptional customer service. Customer service is a competitive advantage in dropshipping. Even though you don't control shipping, you're still accountable to your buyers. Provide clear policies, fast responses, and proactive support. Handling refunds or complaints gracefully builds trust and can lead to repeat customers. In 2025, brand loyalty is earned through excellent service, even in the dropshipping space. Scaling your store to 5 figures and beyond. Once you've validated your store and achieved consistent sales, it's time to scale up. Increase ad budgets on winning creatives. Test new product variants or upsells. Expand into new markets by offering localized language versions or international shipping. Consider influencer partnerships or even private labeling your top-selling products for exclusivity. Use data analytics tools like Google Analytics, Triple Whale, or Shopify reports to double down on what's working. Scaling means more revenue, but also requires better systems, so reinvest into automation, team building, and branding. Selling your store or creating multiple stores. The ultimate dropshipping money move selling your successful store on platforms like Flippa, Empire Flippers, or MicroAcquire. A store doing $5,000 per month in profit can sell for $50,000 or more. If you love the process, rinse and repeat by building multiple stores in different niches, automating them, and selling them as assets. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.